this last night because I want to do more aesthetic and also some shorter YouTubes, and I thought it would be the perfect day because today is kind of like my dream day. I'm down in Wales with my family, which is why the bedroom's different, but we're going to be going out for brunch first, which is obviously always fun. We're about to get ready for that. Then secondly, at the place we're going for brunch, there's a really good charity shop, so you and me are gonna sneak off and go charity shopping. I've also got like a few little errands to do. I need to get my nails done because I'm going to Paris in 2 days, so I want to have like Paris nails for Halloween. And then also evening will also be cozy autumn vibes because we've got pumpkins which are going to carve. Cousin's here with her newborn baby. Let's do our makeup. Everyone else is getting ready now, so we need to be quick. So I was watching a few morning vlogs yesterday and I was low-key thinking like, shit, like I literally don't have a routine. I don't go to the gym in the morning, I don't have a set wake up time. Let me know what you think, like if you're also neurodivergent, whether you think that means that we need routine more or not, because I feel like I'm saying that I thrive in not a routine, but I feel like I'm also not on top of anything in my life, and maybe that's why you need a routine. But I also think that people who like stress too much about routine can't enjoy like changes and like living in the moment, and I very much feel like every day for me is different. But I think the main source of me not having a routine is that I don't wake up at home every day, because obviously I'm like away quite a lot, but also my house or flat, my boyfriend can't stay over midweek because it doesn't have any parking for his van. It's a bit weird if I film a morning video and I just pretend that I've started it at home, but really I'm at his house. Then I have to get in my car straight away, drive back to mine like 20 minutes, and then like start again at home. We are going away to Paris in 2 days, so obviously we'll be doing a little bit of prep. I need to get some stuff for the costume for then as well. But the only thing that worries me is that we haven't got any accommodation yet. I did book the Eurostar, and if you want to go on the Eurostar to Paris, get Euro Snap or just go on the website, because it's basically, if you're not too fussed about which specific train you get on, when I looked at these trains, especially on Halloween, which is on Friday, the train tickets were like £190, whereas when I went on Eurosnap, they will allocate you to a train the day before, but you'll know like within the slot when you do book it, like it'll say like between like 1 and 7 p.m, and then once it gets to the day before, they'll give you a slot. I mean, it was good for me because especially when I went solo, I did this as well. I didn't really mind what slot, but then I've just realised since I like booked the slot, because Shannon's maybe going to fly or she's maybe going to get the train, so I messaged her and I was like, you can get cheaper train tickets this way. Then I realised like shit, she wouldn't be able to like book on the same train as me. But for me, I'm not going to pay £150 more, or like however much it was total, like over £100 more just for like a 2-hour train. I'm realising why a lot of people who buy the curve case might not like it as much as I like it. Like, it's the best thing ever. Like, if I could bring one makeup product, this would probably be the most useful. It's because you need to get 2 end brushes. When I try and apply it all with the same brush, it doesn't work. You want to lay it down with a more dense brush and then blend it out with a brush that has no product on it, because I think if you try and blend it with the brush that has the product on it, because it's so creamy, you're just going to get product everywhere. Like, this technique works so much better, and whenever I've not had this brush and I've just tried to do it with this one, like, it's just not worked. And that's the brush that comes with the pack. Now I'm living out of a suitcase this week. Obviously I was going to bring way too much stuff. I bought down these Hunter Wellies, which I found in the charity shop, for £10 last week. I feel like I manifested these at the absolute perfect time, and I don't know if this was the most practical outfit because my legs were bare and it is a little bit cold. Let's curl my hair. This is the Babyliss Pro Curler, and I think it's like the 1.5 inch one. It's really big. It'll give you like that fake blowout vibe, but I don't have any rollers, so hopefully we can still achieve that. Got a bit of an issue. My hair doesn't look that greasy, but it hasn't been washed in like 3 days, and I went in the hot tub last night, so oh my god, this is caught on my bracelet. Oh shit. Actually just pulled out a bit of the brush. What the hell? I want to put dry shampoo in, but I don't have any dry shampoo. I have ordered straighteners as well to straighten these under bits, and they should be arriving today or tomorrow, so I'll show you which ones I got. let's go and drive to where we're going for lunch. We're going out in Cardigan, which is like an hour drive. We messed up so badly because we didn't book in for breakfast because we didn't know what time like the baby would be finished being fed and like driving here, and then we got there and they didn't have any breakfast until 1:30. So obviously we were all really hungry because this was already at like 11, so we just got a snack and we're going to go back at 1:30 for lunch. While we're waiting, I'm going to get my nails done. I went to NY Nails, which is in Cardigan. It's a Chinese takeaway and a nail shop in one, which is very strange. They are in different sides of the building though. I don't know why, but my mind went completely blank and I just asked for gel, and then when I left I was like, I always get Bio, but I haven't ever just got gel because my nails are really thin anyway, so I need the extra thickness. So hopefully these last. I do really like the colour. I'm just glad to have something on my nails again because I've had a break for quite a while, and I'm also just not used to having dark nails, but I feel like it's quite nice for autumn, and especially with my outfits while I'm in Paris, it's going to be cute. We could have maybe done an extra layer, but let me know what you think of this overall. Obviously they didn't have a lot to work with because I am a nail biter. Right, the nails are done. We're now going to go have a look in some of the charity shops in Cardigan and see what they've got. Main thing is that I need to be looking for gloves that I can turn into Edward Scissorhands, but apparently the range where I was going to get the foam and like the hot glue and stuff to finish off the scissors is closed here now, so it might try and be an embargo. I thought some of the prices in this first charity shop were absolutely crazy. Like, I found these little ballet pumps, which I'll show you in a second, and I really like them. They're from Gabor, so they're a pretty good brand, but Gabor would only be about £40 new. They were £9 or £8.99, which they were worn as well. Like, they weren't brand new. I just think that's crazy. My sister did find some nice woolly pieces though, which are a little bit more reasonable, and looking back, that dress would have been very Parisian. And there's the Oxfam, and they've had this Coach bag. I'm surprised it's actually not in one of the cabinets. I was looking at these gloves potentially for my Edward Scissorhands costume, which we're going to make later in this video, but this is the Coach bag. They've got it on for £120. It's been there for like a few months, but they've just got it out on the side. It is a really, really nice bag, but I feel like you could buy that for less than 120. You know what your favourite charity shop is? I feel like they're very different depending on which area you're in, but Bernardo's is usually pretty cheap, and this was the only place where I found really good stuff so far. Actually, these sunglasses, the shape of them was reminding me of the Prada ones, which if you've watched the video where I accidentally must have trodden on them and they've snapped, I used to wear them all the time. I'm actually so sad, so I'm glad I found a little replacement. One more like little second-hand shop here. It's called the Eco Shop. It's a bit like a jumble sale. They've got some furniture and stuff as well, but I'm very happy with my first find at the first shop. I'll show you everything that they had in there. We've got like half an hour until we're meant to be at lunch, and that cookie that I had this morning at breakfast, like at the same place we're going for lunch, was so good. It was like vegan chocolate and sea salt. Actually, I'm not a fan of jumble sale charity shops because I just find them a little bit dingy and stuff doesn't feel that clean, but I found a really good top in here last time, so I was hopeful. And it's a kind of like a community run shop, and I guess they all are, but this is more of a local one, so it's local people that are donating stuff and maybe even selling some stuff, and they're keeping track of who sells what. I'm not 100% sure how it works, but I did really like this coat. It was just for men, so I feel like the shoulder pads were a little bit too wide, so I kept looking in the women's section. Some of the donations are a little bit questionable, like they're a bit dated, but this was the find of the century. I've wanted something like this for so long, and it actually fits so much better than the other one. The lapels do need to be weighted down a little bit because you can see that they've been folded and they're up a little bit, but it is secondhand leather, and this was a dress I found in the other shop actually, but I was just trying it on in here. It's a bit baggy, but I feel like you can't tell. I've been caught out at the Eco Shop before because they are cash only, and I always forget. I have decided I'm going to get that beige coat because I've wanted like a Burberry trench coat for ages, but I feel like a secondhand leather one would be way warmer. And even though like, I love wearing like thin leather coats because I feel like they keep you warm even though they're not super bulky, and it would be perfect for Paris. It's a nice fit as well. Like, it's good to try them on in person because obviously when they're secondhand the sizes are all different. Like a size 12 will fit like a modern day size 8, so you just don't know until you actually try them on. Like, ordering them on Vinted is just not as good. So got my £30 because this place is cash only. I really recommend this Eco Shop place. Got success with the coat, but Cardigan's actually where my other sister lives, so she's got a new kitten which is adopted, but it's a feral cat that they're trying to like train. I might all go and see it, so I'll show you the cat if we do go, but it's obviously not that comfortable with humans yet, but I'll show you what it's like. It's really, really cute. It looks like our cats did when they were younger because it's a little black cat. But I'll give you a little haul of what I got at the charity shop while I wait for everyone else to turn up. So obviously I got these little sunglasses which I feel like really have a really cool side, but coat, which I'm wearing. I had to completely do an outfit change. But the main thing that I was looking for before Paris was like a polka dot pencil skirt, and I found one. The size 10. It looks quite small for a 10. I think it's a vintage one, but hopefully I can squeeze into it with little like kissing heels in Paris. I feel like that's such a vibe. And maybe I can wear it with my metallic polo top, which I think will look really like Skims-esque. This is the place that we're going for lunch now. It's called Crust and Cardigan. I really recommend it. They have really good bakery as well, like it's all fresh. And I'm going to try and get some ground up coffee that I can put in my van, because I've used up all the coffee that I've got, and I like to get it like freshly ground from like a good coffee shop.
Is it not?
Apparently Zach Polanski was a boy.
Why, what else were you thinking?
Wow, I didn't even think
And the tea. Juice and then...
he said, I've been thinking about it.
Plus one, he can choose if he wants to bring.
No, it would be this
We
one.
didn't know Brunch was going to take me. I'll carve it. Do we want ketchup? If they offer sauce, have they done that?
Just going to post this parcel. I tried to post the other like Amazon returns, and I've tried an InPost, I've tried an Every, I've tried a Royal Mail, and like none of them are scanning, and it just says go to your designated parcel stop. So I need to like look at the email and work that out. Now in my sister's house, we're here to see the cat. So I've got a little mint tea. I love my sister's aesthetic of her house. I will show you some of the rooms of how stunning it is. She's got a really nice eclectic taste, and it's very well decorated. Cute. She likes a layered rug moment. And she's also got a really nice incense smell. It also smells like frankincense. This is her. I'm doing a YouTube version if that's okay with you.
Is this me?
It's like the chill out section with all the yoga stuff. With lights. Oh wow.
It's a bit messy right now.
What are those for?
They're for making cocktails.
Nice.
Someone's throwing a babysit coat all over my sofa.
Babysit coat.
So
On the
this
sofa.
fits my place as well. We keep our shoes in here.
Oh, that's really good. Big storage.
Big storage, yeah.
Matches the background exactly.
Well, a bit of a different red actually, but you know. So took that picture apparently.
Photography.
He's actually selling as well.
Are they selling?
And they're selling well.
Sold.
So.
Seg the plug.
Sold out.
What's your photography name?
What's your photography name? Seg?
Just sag.
Just Seg.
Just Seg.
Okay, let's go to the kitchen.
Flip it out.
Well, I'm not going to drink tea, but am I?
Yeah, but where's your sippy cup?
Seg, are you actually a photographer?
Love the art.
And she still goes to
This is really cute. Bathroom moment.
What are you doing? You're crashing around.
So I'll show you into the kitchen. The kitchen is really, really cute. Lots of flags. It can get influenced by like India, I feel like.
Trying to
Really, I like this. Anna's really into a herbalism.
If you were like,
This is so cute.
we made rose hip syrup, which is like rose hip's really good for vitamin C. It's got more vitamin C than
Where'd you get rose
oranges.
from?
Rose hips are, well, you get them in the garden after they've flowered at this time of year. That you get rose.
Oh, you got rose.
And then you have to like pick them.
No, I was going to say let's go into the garden on this because I only filmed in landscape in the garden, so I'll just show them
We've got to go to work in a minute.
the outdoor area. Anna's cleared this out recently and she's got big plans.
See, I like permaculture, obviously.
It's not flowers, it's more useful plants that you're going to eat.
Yeah. But also no chemicals is the main thing. So when we were stripping it back, we were pulling everything up. So this is her bed here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then we don't know what we're going to do with the table. It's a bit big. But we'll work
Could do with the circle one, you can get past a bit easier.
Yeah, but we got it for free, so...
And I really want to show you upstairs, but the stairs are being used at the moment by the new kitten which Anna has adopted. It's getting used to humans at the moment, so we don't want to scare it too much. It's a feral cat. It's just having some milk out of a pipette, but we don't want to bring too many people around it. You can hear it crying.
And then I want you to bring through. Do you want the laser? She loves the laser. Rebecca, get it. Dropped it.
the kitten has moved up the stairs, so we can give you the upstairs tour. This painting was actually done by my great auntie. All the cat toys. Anna, I think it's really cute. Anna's getting ready to go to work, so we have to be quick.
This is the Pink Palace.
Pink room.
Pink Pal.
So cute.
I don't really like the mahogany, but we got all the furniture for free, so.
I quite like it because it contrasts with the bright colours on the wall.
When you got like the soft lighting on, and also all the cat toys over it isn't really.
And nice artwork.
Oh, look, she's there.
She's in the little kitten down there.
She loves the laser, she says.
Laser. Show us the other room, but we don't want to scare her.
You can go under the bed. It's very nice.
This is the main master bedroom, layered rugs.
So what we did, hey, kitty.
Oh, I like the curtains.
So we did it just to separate the room. I'll show you right now.
Did my granddad?
Your granddad?
Our granddad?
Yeah.
Okay. Our granddad was an artist and he painted that picture there. And then this is Anna's little. She's got festival clothes in here actually. We've got lots of vintage.
Every day actually. Let me know what you think.
Like a band. You know, like a duo band. Don't they?
An indie. The next day, and now we're going to go and try and get the craft stuff for the costume because I've actually realised that I'm going to Paris at midday tomorrow, but I need to drive somewhere, leave my car and then get the train in from wherever that is to central London, and the place I was going to drive to is Reading, and that's like 4 and a bit hours away from where I am now, so we are going to have to leave this evening and do like some of the drive overnight, so we actually need to make the costume like right now. But they didn't have foam anywhere, so I ended up getting this round thing which I'm going to struggle to turn into scissors I think, but we're going to make it work. I did get some leathery gloves. I didn't want to get real leather because I didn't want to chop up real leather and waste them, so I'm going to try and do this without chopping them so they can be reused. I got them at a charity shop for £3.50, and then we've got the tape to try and make them look a little bit more metallic like scissors, but I'm not sure how I'm going to attach the scissory foam to the gloves. I was going to maybe sew it, but I've left my sewing stuff in the car. So DIY so far, it's not really looking like scissors, but I feel like in a photo I can just have them like here and it'll be fine. But thank you for watching my cozy autumn vlog. Let me know if you like this style vlog a little bit more than my usual. This has a lot more like editing and musical bits in it and less just long chatty bits, so it takes longer to edit, and it's also a little bit shorter because if I wanted to do this version in like a 40-minute vlog it would take longer. So let me know which you prefer and I can do that for Paris. Make sure you come back for the Paris updates and to see the rave get ready with me and my outfit.